Alright, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you what the best way is to install the Hugo Industries Molle to belt loop adapter and the feed lips for the HSGI tacos. I'm going to show you here on the pistol taco, but this works also for the extended pistol, which is the SMG taco. And the concept is similar for the rifle tacos as well. Alright, so first you're going to want to remove the magazine. That makes everything a lot easier. If you only have the feed lips, you can skip ahead. But if you have both, I recommend doing the belt loop first. So we'll go ahead and do that first. So what you want to do, this is a 1.5 inch belt loop. We have 1.75 and 2 inch. So you want to go to the back and you want to skip the first two and then go to the third and stick this in a little bit, just like that, just to hold it in place. Then you want to bring this down. This plastic is flexible, so you can bend it a bit. There you go. So you have this part in, you have that part in. Now you just push it down like that, all the way until you can tuck this bottom part in there, just like that. Oh, and then in this example, this one just happened to go in there just fine. Sometimes this will stay stuck under this webbing here, and then you can just get a flathead screwdriver and just kind of stick it in there like that and just tuck it in under that clip. So anyways, that's the belt loop. You see it's not going anywhere. It's actually pretty hard to remove after you've put it on, which is a good thing. So now we'll install the feed lips. We'll start with the back first here. Now you'll notice that the belt loop, I didn't show it before, but I probably should have, has a lip there that protrudes from the belt loop adapter. That fits into this notch right here. So you stick this in there. It goes down. Let me actually stick it. There you go. You gotta go. Let me expand this here a little bit. There you go. I have to get the shock cord out of the way. And you go in there, and you'll see it'll kind of clip in to that lip there. And now that's not going anywhere either. It's basically locked in there. All right. Then for the front one, what you want to do is you want to insert it on top of this shock cord. It's not in between, but on top of it. So between the webbing and the shock cord, just like that. Make sure this piece goes on the other side so that it goes on the inside. And then as you push it down, tuck this piece in, push it down more, tuck in this other piece, and there you go. Both clips are over the webbing. This isn't going anywhere. So now you have 4 feed lips, and that makes it much easier to insert a mag. It won't snag on the edges here. So reindexing and reinserting is always gonna be smooth, no surprises. This is an old school high power, Browning high power magazine. I love that gun. All right, that's it.